Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner back at you on Monday. So today we're going to do an Alethea follow-up. The reason I haven't been doing videos on Alethea is because I haven't really seen any new or interesting or actually anything that makes sense, right? Since the price has been down, been trying to figure out why it's going down or if this is a good thing or a bad thing. But I actually saw a video. So let's look at the numbers real quick and then we'll go to the video that's doing some technical analysis. So for today, we're actually up 0.25%. Last 24 hours, we're down 0.65%. Last 7 days, we're down 6.35. And the last month, we're down 44.74%. But overall, in the last 90 days, it's still up 275%. So don't give up just yet, right? Keep holding, and we'll see how this pans out. And then this is Coin Market Cap. They're saying it's down 0.11% today. Bitcoin's down 0.2%, and Ethereum's actually up 0.23%. But if you look at the 7-day chart, looks like 3:30 there was a slight uptick, and then from there just been down. And then last month we're going to see a lot of red. Looks like beginning of March it was up a little bit, and then from there it's been straight declining. Been up and down a little bit, but for the most part it's been down. So someone mentioned in the YouTube comments that the developers are selling coins or tokens. That's why the price is going down. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And mention in the comments what do you think? Why the price is sliding, or if you have any information. We're just trying to keep track of what's going on. Maybe we can get an update or tie this together where it makes sense. So we'll look at CoinGecko. CoinGecko's also saying it's down 0.2%, which is the same 0.2% for Bitcoin. Then this is the last 30 days, similar. It's kind of up a little bit, but mainly it's been very bearish. So yeah, I've been looking for news. I'm just reading this headline. Decline in the last 24 hours, down 0.25 and 9.18 in the last 7 days, with a circulating supply of 3.6 billion. ALI is valued market cap of 125 million. So let's kick to the video real quick and come back and talk about it. First, this is not financial advice. This is just this guy going through it. So let's play the video and talk.
All right, what is up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Super excited for today's video. We're going to come at you guys with an update on ALI, ticker symbol ALI. This is the Alethea Artificial Liquid Intelligence token. Now, if you missed my last video, you missed the key levels and some of the key signals of why this popular AI crypto token is dropping right now. And when it comes to technical analysis, there's a few indicators. I'm actually going to go over those with you guys so that you guys can learn something new, hopefully, in this video and, help to try to give yourself an edge in the market. Okay, trading is like going to battle. It's like going to war. You need to have the proper weapons and you need to know how to use those weapons, so that way you can increase your odds of success on the battlefield. So with that being said, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and remember, none of this video is financial advice, really just trying to give you guys some good education on some of the different strategies, chart patterns, indicators that you guys can use to help give you an edge. So there's a few things on here. Most notably, we had this head and shoulders pattern and we broke our neckline right here. Okay, so we had this trend line that we touched 2 times here, 3 times here, twice over here, and you can see finally we broke down, came up, tried to retest it, and we pushed lower, and we essentially have hit the targets for the head and shoulders pattern. Okay. We had the left shoulder over here, we had our head, then we had our right shoulder. Now, on top of that, we also had a double top pattern right here, indicated by these two arrows. All right. We had these two lines right here, strong resistance at 0.0719. And I went over some of this stuff in the last video. Just make sure to subscribe so you guys can get constant updates. I do these viewer requests every single week too. So if you want to see your token or crypto in the next one, all you got to do is comment down below. So we had the double top. And even before the double top, we actually had something known as bearish divergence, which you may have heard of this before. And if you haven't, I'll explain it to you guys very simply, really quickly. So essentially what you're looking at, all right, is notice how we have a high right here. Okay, so we have a high and then we have a higher high over here. So the token is clearly going up in price. But if you take a look at your relative strength index, the RSI, this is going to measure the relative strength of a token at its given price levels. And we can see that we have these highs right here, and then we actually come here and we make a lower high. So while the token was in an uptrend, all right, going up in price, it was actually losing relative strength in a downtrend on the RSI. That is a term known as bearish divergence and indicates you could see some type of bearish activity. Now, since then, we've had a pretty sharp drop. Okay. And we had our major levels right here. And as you can see, it says we're bearish below this level right here, which was 0.0466. Now, what these are is these are the three most common and well-respected Fibonacci retracement levels. You have the 38.2, the 50%, and the 61.8% level. And the reason we use these, all right, is to help identify trend continuation versus trend reversals, because nothing moves in a straight line up or in a straight line down. Rather, you get a move up, retracement, continuation of the trend, move down, retracement, continuation of the trend, or you can also spot trend reversals, right? And so a reversal would be a move up, retracement, and then you consolidate and break through those retracement levels. And that's how you could spot a potential downside reversal. So we had our big move up since the beginning of the year from January, and then we came down and consolidated at our major retracement levels. Okay, and you can see that we actually just broke through our major retracement level. We're heading down towards 0.028653. That's our next major support level, but we do have a little bit of a demand zone right in between here that we're testing out right now. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. Maybe we find support in this demand zone and we try to push back up higher. But ultimately, if we break below this 0.028653, most likely we're going to retest some of our previous lows. Now, that doesn't mean we have to, okay? This is definitely a valid area of demand where we consolidated and buyers and demand was able to step in and push price up higher. So that may repeat itself again. So just be on a close lookout. Just wanted to give you guys an update in case you missed the last video on why this token has been dropping. As you can see, we're on the daily time frame here, and the past like 5 or 6 days have all been red. And really, it happened once we broke that major support level where I said we were going to be bearish below there. So that's it for today's video. Smash that.
So that was just some of the technical analysis. And this guy is saying if we go below 0.28, which we're definitely under, actually, we're not. So it looks like it's going to, I guess, bounce back. We were down to 0.028. But as long as we stay above that 0.285, I think it will bounce back. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Yes, I finally made another Alethea video. It's just not a lot of information out. That's why I haven't been making videos. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Don't give up yet, guys. Hang in there and keep holding. And let's get back to the money.